Okay, so we're going in the Porsche here. So this is it. So here we go. And take the Porsche for a spin. Race car.
Right.
My daddy's gonna drive it.
Yeah.
So got the engine all warmed up. Get my seatbelt on.
Get your seatbelt on. I'll hold the camera.
That's good.
All right. We're gonna take this up to 212 miles an hour. Okay.
So
You ready?
here we go.
Down by the marina first.
We're gonna go down in the marina. Here we go. So yeah, we're taking the Porsche nice and easy because we gotta get it warmed up.
Get it warmed up.
Yeah, buddy.
Get the motors warmed up.
Yeah, it's a 100-degree day though. I know that sounds kind of weird, but yeah.
Get the oil circulating.
Yes,
Get all
we
the
do.
fluids going.
There's my dad using gears. This is a race car, man.
Oh yeah. 212.
And it's small. I mean small.
All right. Let's see what's going on down
Turning in
here.
the marina.
Not many boats out. There's the bridge.
There's a rubber band to hold up old broken neurons.
Yep. All right.
Little water. So here we go. Peace.